Welcome to the channel. Starting with number 5. Did you know that crafting your own decor can save up to 90% compared to retail? Using reclaimed wood, fabric scraps, or even repurposed glass jars, materials often found for free, reduces costs drastically. A Harvard study on sustainability found that DIY home projects also cut landfill waste by nearly 40%. Even simple hand-painted wall art can mimic high-end designs at a fraction of the price. Plus, handmade furniture from pallet wood, it can last over a decade. The key? Creativity, resourcefulness, and a little elbow grease. Moving to number 2. Stick around. Now, affordable paint isn't just about price. It's chemistry, durability, and coverage. High-quality budget paints use vinyl acrylic binders, enhancing adhesion and longevity. Pigment concentration determines opacity. Cheaper paints often require extra coats. Low VOC options like water-based latex improve air quality. Temperature affects drying. Optimal range 50 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving to number 3. Stick around. Ever wondered why some thrift store finds feel like treasure? It's all about scarcity economics. Vintage furniture, especially solid oak or mahogany pieces, holds value due to deforestation limiting new supply. A 1950s Ames chair? Originally under $100, now worth thousands. Lastly, we will talk about repurposing existing items. An old ladder becomes a rustic bookshelf. Worn-out jeans transformed into stylish cushion covers. Even glass jars, paint them, add fairy lights, instant ambient decor. This method saves money, reduces waste, and adds unique character. Cheapest ways to decorate a living room includes utilizing DIY decor projects, buying inexpensive furniture from budget-friendly retailers, shopping at thrift stores and flea markets using affordable paint, and of course, repurposing existing items. Let me know your favorite repurposing idea in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and check out our other budget-friendly decorating tips. Moving to number 4, stick around. Now, here's the deal. Cheap furniture isn't just about price, it's about engineering. Particle board, made of wood chips and resin, costs 1/10 of solid oak but lasts only 5 years under stress. Density matters. Higher density fiberboard resists warping better.